Good evening, guys. Welcome to News 14. We got a couple stories here tonight, and as you know, that 2 weeks ago, that Air Asia flight was missing. They finally found it. It was in press. Another news: NASA explores inflatable spacecraft in technology. Now for the most breaking news tonight: weather. Deepan Patel is coming up.
Good evening, everybody. Just as Anchorman Kunal Patel told you guys, we do have a big storm system coming in. If you look at current conditions as of now, we're sitting at 35 degrees. Don't let that fool you guys. When we look back at my map here, we can see Topeka 32, Concordia 12, Des Moines 27. This Arctic air is coming in. If you look up here, we have Watertown, -1 degrees, fellas. -1 degrees. That's some cold weather coming right at us. Let's take a look at the water vapor satellite. This is some dry air coming up from the Gulf of Mexico. As we can see, Kansas City does not have that much moisture right now. But we can see, if we go back here just a little bit right here, we see the surge of moisture coming up from New Mexico, North Mexico, and California. We're just going to get hit, people. We're going to get hit. Now, let me move forward one more slide here. You can see the RAP map right here. This is the most recent map. It shows a strong, heavy band of snow entering Kansas City. Now, this is rates of 5 to 6 inches per hour. I strongly advise you folks watching this show right now tonight to please get out of Kansas City. This is not safe. This is ice mixed with hail, mixed with snow. It's going to get bad, folks. It's going to get bad. Now, we can see bands are starting to develop right here out of Paola, Gardner, Emporia, Manhattan, back out here to Beach Rice, coming into Kansas City. Now, folks, I strongly advise, please, this Arctic blast is going to come in very strong. We have temperatures of -10, -20, -30 degrees coming into Kansas City. Please get out.
Get out of here.
This child's right. We should leave.
We should go. The weatherman seemed pretty smart. We should get out of here.
Yo, Knack, you want to come?
No, Q-tip. We're going to stay behind.
Alright.
No, we have to
I'm
leave.
scared. We have to go.
The weather guy always tells us that we should go. It doesn't really matter. It's not going to be that big of a storm.
We have to leave.
No, we're going to stay behind.
I'm scared, Daddy.
We have plenty of food and all that. Don't worry about it.
Are you sure?
I'm sure. We're going to stay behind.
No, we're leaving.
Hi, I'm Officer Patel from SVPD. We just want to let you know there's a big storm coming in. So the whole city is evacuating.
Yeah.
So just pack up, leave. That would be good.
Yeah.
No, that's okay, man. I think we're going to stay here.
I don't think that's a good idea. Knack.
Yeah. But the thing is, weather people always say it's going to be really bad, but it never does anything.
The weatherman is always right.
Hey, I think we should really leave the city.
I don't know, man. They're always telling us we should evacuate.
I know, but this sounds really serious.
Why are you freaking out, man? They always do.
We need to take the Baidus and kids out of here.
No, dude, listen. We have plenty of food, right? It's a new house, so it's going to be pretty strong. Okay? And we got 4-wheel drive pickup truck. Who cares?
That won't come in handy when we're about to die.
We're not going to die. It snows all the time. It's gonna snow like 4 inches. I bet you.
I think we should really leave, bro. Hey, man, we seriously gotta go. I don't care if you guys don't want to come, but we're gonna leave.
Quit being such a pansy, man. We're going to stay behind. It's going to be fine.
Baidu, start packing. We gotta take
I got you.
child. Let's go. Hurry up. We gotta go.
I'm going, man.
Man, I don't think we should leave Knack behind, though.
I mean, he's stubborn. Do you really want to die?
Oh, don't forget about the child. We gotta pack her, too.
Oh, yeah. Got her.
Alright, let's get out of here quick.
Yeah, really. There's going to be a lot of traffic and cold weather.
Yeah.
Come on, we gotta go. We gotta go, man.
No, we don't. We're going to stay here. We have everything here. It's not going to snow that much. It's going to be okay.
But we're gonna starve.
No, we're not. It's only going to snow.
Come on.
And just a little bit.
We
and
have
then
to
we have
go.
food after that. Now that we're here, we might as well just watch a movie.
All right, turn on the movie.
All right, let's watch a movie.
What happened? What just happened?
It was just a little
okay. Don't worry about it. It happens every now and then.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm positive.
That doesn't look normal.
Dude, what just happened? We have to go. We have to leave.
It's not that big of a deal.
Yes, we
We have the flashlight here. We have food. We have everything else. It's gonna be okay.
No, we have to leave.
Well, it's too late now anyway. Can you hear that? It's the blizzard outside. We're gonna stay inside. That's our
We
plan.
can go in your car.
No, we can't go anywhere. We're gonna stay here. Okay, that's what we decided. We're staying.
But you told me to
We're staying.
drive.
We're gonna stay.
We're gonna go.
We're staying.
We're going.
We're staying.
It's really cold. I think we should go get a blanket.
Yeah, go ahead. I'll give you my flashlight. You can go get it.
We'll go get it. Let's go get it. Found it. Here you go. Oh, yeah. Is that better? Yeah, I think
Yeah, it's a lot warmer.
Oh, no, we got it. Oh, that's when I'm really scared.
I don't know, but at least we have this blanket to keep us warm.
Don't worry. What about food and stuff? We'll be fine.
We still have plenty of food. We have granola bars, peanut butter, jelly, bread. We don't need this stuff.
That's not enough. Why would we get stuck for like a whole month?
We're not going to get stuck for a whole month.
40 inches.
It doesn't even look like it's that bad right now.
Right now. It's cold in here.
It is cold.
Oh my god. Daddy. No. We should have left. Oh my god.
Yeah, we should have, but it's too late for that.
It's too late. No,
It's too late.
No. God, oh my god.
Oh my god.
My God, look at this. Oh my God, they're all dead. Oh, this poor family. Oh my God.
नहीं, I'm not ready. मारा नहीं था वो.
Hey,
Good evening, guys. Welcome to News 14.
No, Q-tip. We're gonna stay here. No, Q-tip. We're gonna stay here. You can go ahead and go. Alright.
Yeah.
No, Q-tip. I think we're gonna stay behind.
No. We have to go.
Stop.
No, Q-tip. We're gonna stay behind.
No, we're not. We have to leave. We have
The
to
weatherman always says that
This
we
calls
should
for a
go
divorce.
away, but it doesn't matter.
Immediately, that would be good.
Alright.
Otherwise, you'll be dead.
I got my flashlight, okay?
We have so do I, but you know, it's good.
Hello, sir.
Hello, I'm from